Hi everybody, it's me, Camila Rose, and I'm back for another video, and this time we're going to be doing our February Paycheck to budget already. I cannot believe it's already time to break down our budget for what we're going to be looking at for the rest of the month of February. I'm super excited though to get this money going and to do a little bit of cash stuffing. So if you enjoy videos about designing a life you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you all in just a little bit. Alrighty, so this is the big one. As you all know, this is the one where I usually have a lot of money moving around, a lot of things happening. So I need to be really mindful and make sure I have everything written down the way it should be. So we're doing $300 as usual for envelopes. We have our sinking funds coming out for the month of February, and that's $257. We have student debt payment that will be made. This is an additional payment. So that's $25. We have lawn, which is getting its $70. Hopefully I won't have to use any of that, and I can again pull some over for the spring/summer/fall when I actually have to get my lawn mowed and taken care of. We have AT&T for $71. We get Geico for $185. T-Mobile is $181. Gym. Still have a gym membership, but I've actually been going, and if you've been following along, I've started sharing more about my running program, and so I've been adding running into my workout. And in fact, a little update, I had to adjust my running schedule for this week since it's supposed to be snowing and sleeting at the end of the week, and I obviously won't be able to run then. But I want to add gym back into there, and my goal is in March. Well, I really wanted to start in February, but again, snow. So I'll probably start February 15th or whatever I actually have a little calendar right here. Let me see. I'll start on Sunday, and so we'll be looking at February 20th. Well, no, I could start February 13th as long as the weather is not wild. Speaking of which, February 13th, February 14th is coming up. What are y'all doing for Valentine's, if you're doing anything? And let me know what you have planned. So I'll start then in going back to the gym. So we will actually not be getting rid of this gym membership. But you know what I do need to do? And after I think about it, didn't I have money set aside to get? That's interesting. I have to take a look at that in a second. But Netflix is supposed to go up, so I think I had it budgeted for $16. I think I'll leave it at that till I see what my new amount of how much it costs is going to be. Home maintenance is $60. Emergency savings is $100. Visa gets $160. NTTA, I actually put $60 on this one. I could probably go $40 though. I don't know why I put $60 on that one. But I'll go ahead and do $60. If I need it, I need it. And then Amazon Music is $9, like usual. Cushion gets $8. Then we have Giving. I hope I have enough. Gets $20. Date gets $80, which I already know what I'll probably end up spending that on. Security Savings gets $60. House Emergencies gets $10. Car Emergencies / new car is going to come up to $15 total. And then I'm going to have to come over here and do hexes and hearts, putting $100 aside for that. Okay, let's add this up and make sure it equals the amount that we have here. And then we'll know we'll have created a zero budget for this second paycheck. Okay, oh, there we go. Okay, so 100 plus 300 plus 257 plus 25 plus 70 plus 71 plus 185 plus 181 plus 11 plus 16 plus 60 plus 100 plus 160, oopsie, 160 plus 60 plus 9 plus 8 plus 20 plus 80 plus 60 plus 10 plus 15. Perfect. 1798. Okay, so 0 left over, zeroed out. We do have, let me see, student debt I'll go ahead and put up, and then we have, so that gets 20. So I've already used that, so I'm going to go ahead and check that off. Which one's already been done? Giving, sinking funds, student debt, car, emergencies, and new car. Perfect. Okay. So I should have the 257 for sinking funds. Oh, I probably need some change. I definitely need some change. But I can probably do 260 for sinking funds. I need 25 for student debt. So let's go ahead and pull out 25. So a 20 and a 5 for student debt. Then we have, who else do we need? Giving gets 20. So bloop. And then car emergencies gets 15, a 5 and a 10. So let me go and count this and make sure this equals 260. So 20, 40, 60, 81. Okay. 20, 40, 60, 80, 92, 20, 40, oh, sorry, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 55, 60. Perfect. So that 260 till I can get change and get those $3 back. Still have not made envelopes for some of my friends, which I keep saying I need to make happen. So we have a new car envelope gets the $5. One day we'll make an envelope for this. You know, I had, but I will not be at work because we're closed for the storm. So you know what I should do? I should make these envelopes. Long-term combined with investment. Oh, I was supposed to pull out this $10. I did not do that. Did I even have investment on here though? I'm almost 100% sure that I didn't. So we will leave that as it is. And I'll have to figure out where the car emergency $10 goes. So I will make that make sense. But we've got student debt. We pull out that envelope, student loans. And we have this envelope right here, and student loans gets 25. There we go. And then, so that leaves us with 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37 for student loans. And then we have the 10 for car emergencies, and we have 20 for giving. And I'll go put that up as soon as I get done with the video. So that's everything, y'all. That was a quick one because we will be doing sinking funds next. So I hope you're excited to count some money and make some progress. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Again, I hope that you all are safe, taking care of yourselves, enjoying this new season, this new time, and making some progress towards your goals. We're already in February, and I think that's a fabulous, wonderful thing. So take care of yourselves. I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.